the Tiny Feet's Farm Playscape. And check it out, it comes with the handles and everything you need in this tiny little package that kids can carry on their own. So it unsnaps like that, and then you unfold it to reveal a little farm playscape. So lots of fun things to do here. There's a little tree that the animals can eat from, a little mermaid sequins pond that's so fun and so sensory. The little red barn snaps together just like that, and then it comes with storage pockets for all the little animals there, so you can put them in the little corral or in the barn. There's little food here so you can feed from the garden, feed the animals from the garden. It comes with a few little plastic animals too, and then whenever you're ready to go, you just unsnap and fold it all up. Great for travel because it's so lightweight, battery-free, screen-free, creative fun for kids. This one is for kids 3 and up, only because of the small plastic animals.